ashwagandha back into homeostasis. Hello world, Son of the Soul here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you feeling today? Today is a beautiful day. It's a sunny day right now. It's a great day to be talking about health. You already know what's going on in the world, how the world's been feeling, all the tension. And what we need to strive to is making sure our health is in check. So today I'm going to be talking to you about something very special. A very special supplement that I use personally, that I've gained so many benefits from. It's called ashwagandha. Now, let me show you real quick. Now I got this in pill form. They have powders. It came from a brand called Tribe Organics. But anyways, let me just give you a quick rundown on ashwagandha. Now, ashwagandha is an herb that's been cultivated in India in Ayurvedic medicine. It's a root actually. And it's been recognized in holistic medicine as a very powerful herb because it's an adaptogen herb. Now, adaptogen basically means to bring back into balance. Now, when we talk about balance, we're talking about homeostasis. The body coming back into homeostasis. So this is regulation here. This is not something that adds to or takes away from the body. It regulates. So let me just give a couple points on the benefits of having ashwagandha in your arsenal of health products. Now, one is it reduces anxiety. And like I said before, all the stuff going on right now, there's so much tension, there's so many negative emotions, right? That people don't know how to redirect. And it turns into this character, this behavior. And when you look deep inside, on a chemical standpoint, there's a lot of adrenaline and there's a lot of cortisol being excreted in the body. And this wreak havoc to the glands that are being excreted in the body. It messes with your oxytocin levels, your serotonin levels, your melatonin levels. You understand? So what it does is it reduces your cortisol levels back into normal levels. We all have cortisol, you know what I'm saying? But how it's being regulated, that's for questioning. And if you feel any type of anxiety, then this herb right here will bring you back into balance. This will bring you back into balance. Now the next one, it actually is a natural antidepressant. This is powerful stuff. You understand? When somebody's feeling depressed, on a chemical standpoint, there is a lot of cortisol, there's a lot of adrenaline being excreted in the body. And ashwagandha has an amazing way of reducing those levels back to its regular state. So if you're feeling moody, if you don't know how to feel, if you're feeling overwhelmed, you understand? This right here is powerful stuff, man. This right here is powerful stuff. It'll reduce your cortisol levels. It'll reduce your adrenal levels. You understand? Back into balance, back into homeostasis. Now, the next point is brain function. This actually improves your brain function. Why? Because it's regulating all the hormones in your body. Do you understand? So people who have Parkinson's or they got ADHD in children, you understand? Even for grown-ups too, of course. What it does is it regulates all the different hormones that are being secreted in your glands, especially for your thyroid. If you have hyperthyroidism, it brings everything back into balance. So what happens when your body is secreting the right amount of chemicals, all the good chemicals, and it's removing all the bad chemicals, and it's excreting all the bad chemicals? Well, your brain function goes up. You become more concentrated. You become more focused. You understand? The sense of being overwhelmed decreases. If you're the type that's working 12-hour shifts, and all this stuff is going on, there's a chance that you might feel overwhelmed. And having this as one that you have in your arsenal, this adaptogen herb will help your body go back into balance, to calm you down, to relax you, to reduce all the anxiety that you feel, to act as an antidepressant, to improve your mood. We need to raise our vibrations up, you understand? And taking this right here, this will do wonders. But yeah, that's what I got for you for today. I've named a few benefits. There's tons more benefits that I can definitely say. Even the process of reducing your cortisol levels for people who are triathletes, you understand, who work out all the time. If you are somebody who exercises, this helps with your recovery. This intensifies your workouts. You understand? So, but like I said, there's so many benefits to it. I'm still going to be talking more about ashwagandha because it's one of my favorite supplements. And if you've never tried it, try it. See what it does for you. Health is wealth. You're here. You're looking at me right now because you're alive. Health is wealth. I'm talking to you right now because I'm alive. Health is wealth. Let's make that be one of the priorities, one of the main priorities in becoming our greater selves. Stay bright.